not entertain none of this nonsense and nothing over the phone. I'm gonna need you to get rid of all the leftover pizza boxes.
The what?
All the boxes left over from the pizza. All the boxes.
Okay.
Make sure you recycle the plastic like we took.
Good afternoon, everybody. So we made a bail appeal to Judge Carter. It did not go our way.
The legal battles surrounding Sean Diddy Combs have taken an unexpected and dramatic twist.
The biggest secret in the entertainment industry that really wasn't a secret at all has finally been revealed to the world. The wall of silence has now been broken, and victims are coming forward.
In a move that has shocked both the legal world and the public, an anonymous male celebrity has filed a lawsuit against Tony Buzbee, the high-profile attorney representing multiple accusers in the cases against Combs.
We now represent 120 individuals who intend to bring civil claims in civil court against Sean Diddy Combs.
But this isn't just any lawsuit. It's a fiery accusation of extortion and calculated character assassination. Imagine this: a lawyer at the center of one of the year's most explosive scandals, now facing allegations that could dismantle his reputation and potentially disrupt the very cases he's championing. What's really going on behind the scenes? Is this a desperate ploy to silence a powerful advocate, or has the attorney crossed an ethical line in his pursuit of justice? As the layers of this case unfold, we're left wondering who's really pulling the strings, and what's at stake for all the players involved. Let's dive into the full story and uncover the web of power, reputation, and high-stakes legal drama that has everyone talking.
With people claiming to have been victimized by Sean Combs.
Background on Tony Buzbee. Tony Buzbee is no stranger to the spotlight. Known for his flamboyant personality and a reputation as a hard-hitting trial lawyer, Buzbee has represented a wide array of clients, including politicians, corporations, and individuals embroiled in high-profile scandals. His legal career spans decades, marked by a mix of significant victories and controversies. In recent weeks, Buzbee has become the face of the lawsuits filed against Sean Diddy Combs, representing multiple women who have come forward with allegations of sexual misconduct. Buzbee has been vocal in his pursuit of justice, making headlines with his aggressive approach to litigation. He has framed the lawsuits against Combs as part of a broader mission to expose abuse and exploitation within the entertainment industry.
And we're going to follow this evidence wherever it takes us. We will expose the enablers who enabled this conduct behind closed doors. We will pursue this matter, no matter who the evidence implicates.
However, Buzbee's methods have not been without criticism. Some have questioned his tactics, labeling them as overly confrontational or even opportunistic. This lawsuit from an anonymous celebrity brings those criticisms into sharper focus, alleging that Buzbee has crossed ethical boundaries in his quest to secure justice for his clients. Details of the anonymous lawsuit. The anonymous celebrity's lawsuit alleges that Tony Buzbee has engaged in extortion by threatening to file a lawsuit containing fabricated allegations of sexual assault unless the plaintiff complied with certain demands. According to the complaint, these demands were not only financially motivated, but also designed to publicly tarnish the plaintiff's reputation. The plaintiff, who remains unnamed to protect his identity, claims that Buzbee's alleged actions are part of a larger pattern of coercion and manipulation. The lawsuit asserts that Buzbee has weaponized his legal expertise to exert undue pressure, effectively holding the plaintiff hostage with the threat of reputational ruin. While the specific demands made by Buzbee have not been disclosed, the lawsuit paints a picture of a high-stakes power play, where the line between advocacy and extortion becomes dangerously blurred. The plaintiff's legal team has characterized Buzbee's behavior as a gross abuse of his position and a betrayal of the principles of justice.
Breaking news tonight, Sean Diddy Combs.
Sean Diddy Combs and the bigger picture. This lawsuit comes at a time when Sean Diddy Combs is already facing intense scrutiny. Over the past few weeks, multiple individuals have stepped forward with allegations against the music mogul, accusing him of a range of offenses, including sexual assault and harassment. The accusations span years and have raised questions about systemic issues within the entertainment industry. Buzbee's involvement in these cases has been pivotal, giving the accusers a powerful legal advocate and a platform to share their stories. However, the anonymous lawsuit against Buzbee threatens to complicate these proceedings. If the allegations against Buzbee are proven, they could undermine the credibility of the cases he is handling and provide a lifeline for Combs' defense team to argue that the accusations are part of a coordinated smear campaign. Legal experts are divided on the potential implications of this lawsuit. Some view it as a strategic move to discredit Buzbee and, by extension, weaken the cases against Combs. Others argue that the allegations against Buzbee, if true, represent a serious ethical ethical violation that must be addressed, regardless of their impact on the broader legal battles, legal implications, and ethical questions. The lawsuit raises important ethical questions about the role of attorneys in high-profile cases. Where is the line between aggressive advocacy and unethical behavior? Can an attorney's personal conduct jeopardize the cases they are handling? Buzbee's defenders argue that his track record speaks for itself and that this lawsuit is an attempt to silence a lawyer who has been relentless in his pursuit of justice for marginalized individuals. Critics, however, suggest that the allegations highlight the dangers of unchecked power within the legal profession, particularly in cases involving high-profile figures and sensitive allegations. From a legal standpoint, the case also highlights the challenges of navigating reputational damage in the digital age. For the anonymous plaintiff, the mere association with such allegations could have lasting consequences, regardless of the case's outcome. Similarly, for Buzbee, the lawsuit represents a significant reputational risk, potentially impacting his ability to effectively represent his clients.
The A-list celebrities linked to Diddy and his alleged sexual assaults are trying to keep their identities private. That's according to Houston attorney Tony Buzbee.
Public and media response. As expected, the lawsuit has generated significant media attention, with outlets and commentators offering diverse perspectives on the unfolding drama. Public opinion is divided, with some viewing the lawsuit as a calculated attempt to derail the cases against Combs, while others see it as a necessary check on an attorney who may have overstepped his bounds. Social media has been particularly vocal, with hashtags related to the case trending across platforms. Supporters of Buzbee have praised his courage in taking on powerful figures like Sean Combs, while critics have seized on the anonymous lawsuit as evidence of deeper issues within his approach to litigation. The media coverage has also raised broader questions about the intersection of celebrity culture, legal accountability, and the court of public opinion. In an era where allegations can spread like wildfire online, the stakes for all parties involved, plaintiffs, defendants, and attorneys, have never been higher. What's next? The outcome of this lawsuit will undoubtedly have far-reaching implications for all involved. For the anonymous plaintiff, it represents a chance to clear his name and push back against what he sees as an abuse of power. For Tony Buzbee, it is a critical test of his reputation and his ability to continue advocating for his clients in the face of personal legal challenges. For Sean Diddy Combs, the lawsuit adds another layer of complexity to his already precarious legal situation. If the allegations against Buzbee gain traction, they could shift the focus away from the accusations against Combs and onto the conduct of the attorney leading the charge against him. Conversely, the lawsuit is dismissed or deemed unfounded, it could bolster Buzbee's credibility and strengthen the cases against Combs. As the legal battles continue to unfold, one thing is clear: this is more than just a courtroom drama. It's a story about power, accountability, and the complex dynamics of seeking justice in the modern era. Whether you see Tony Buzbee as a hero fighting for the voiceless, or a lawyer who may have gone too far, there's no denying the significance of this case. We'll be keeping a close eye on the developments and bringing you the latest updates. In the meantime, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think this lawsuit will impact the cases against Sean Diddy Combs? And what do you make of the allegations against Tony Buzbee? Let's discuss.